Welcome to our channel. Please like and subscribe. Imagine falling asleep, knowing that money is still quietly flowing, no stress, no urgency, no rush, just calm, steady systems working for you in the background. Tonight, as you relax, you'll explore gentle ideas, ways income can grow, even while you rest. Let your breathing slow, let your mind drift, and simply listen. Passive income doesn't mean doing nothing, it means doing something once and letting it continue, like planting a seed and allowing it to grow over time. No pressure to act now, just ideas. Soft and simple. Let's begin. 1. Digital products. Imagine creating something once, an ebook, a guide, a simple template, something helpful, something clear, and then people finding it, downloading it, while you rest. It doesn't need to be perfect, just useful. And over time, it quietly grows. Breathe in slowly and out gently. 2. Print on demand. Picture designs, simple artwork, phrases, patterns, placed onto shirts, mugs, notebooks. You upload them once, and each time someone orders, it's created and sent without you needing to move, just calm. Automated flow. 3. Dividend investing. Think of money working like a tree. You plant it, and over time, it begins to give back. Small amounts at first, then more. Regular, quiet payments arriving again and again. 4. Rental income. A space, a room, a property used by others while you receive steady returns. It doesn't need to be large. Even small spaces can create consistent flow. Feel the idea of steady income, soft, reliable. 5. Affiliate content. You create content, a video, a post, a recommendation, and when someone finds it helpful, they follow your link, and you earn a small reward again and again from something already created. 6. Online courses. You share knowledge, something you already understand, broken into simple steps, recorded once, and watched by many at different times. While you sleep, while you rest, while you breathe. 7. Stock photography. Moments captured, photos taken, uploaded once and downloaded by people around the world. Each image, a quiet source of ongoing income. Let your mind drift. Notice how simple ideas repeat, create once, receive over time. 8. mobile apps or tools. A small tool, a helpful app, something that solves a tiny problem. People use it daily, and each use generates value without constant effort, just steady, quiet usage. 9. Automated online stores. Products listed, orders placed, systems handling delivery, messages answered automatically, a store that continues even when you step away, even when you sleep. 10. Royalties, music, writing, creativity, something you create and share. Each time it's used, each time it's played, you receive a small return over time. Those small returns add up. Now, let everything soften. There is no rush, no need to act tonight, just possibilities. Quiet, patient, possibilities. Income doesn't always come from effort in the moment. Sometimes it comes from systems built gently over time. Breathe in slowly, hold, and breathe out. Let your thoughts drift like clouds passing by. That was excellent. Please like and subscribe for daily lessons. See you next time.